Gold and silver both traded bullish yesterday. We have seen both struggling at the key resistances as we have discussed in our both the updates 25.95, 96 and silver 31.20, 31.30 levels. Now what to expect today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel to give you a detailed analysis with clear entries and exits for gold and silver twice a day. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Watch till. See, if you look at the gold on the hourly charts, see this was the swing with the rate hike decision, rate cut decision, and since then what we had seen gold delivering higher lows and higher highs. Now this is under retracement. As long as 2600 2602 levels are not taken, we should treat this as retracement. What is happening after the drop? Gradually this is retracing, and now once it reverses, once it trades below 25.8485 today, you can say that bears are taking over, and then you can look forward to reversal. Else it is still confining its movement within the zone. Next thing is what is happening now. See here, lower highs were seen. Now it has taken the support from the 20 period and trying to bounce back. So today, if you see it is staying above 25.96, I think you can buy here, but then 2600 2602 is going to remain critical again. And if it breaks this zone, you can say the bulls are taking over and we can look forward to a stronger rise. If you look at the formation, see support is formed here and now trying to bounce back. So yes, a good base is created, and with that we are seeing a rise, but I can see a struggle at around 25.95, 96. So this zone you should watch out for. Moving averages divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD almost running flat here without any major divergence or convergence. RSI trying to trade with modest bullish bias coming to 2. The observation is more or less same on the 2-hour charts. Rise, retracement, flat base trying to bounce back up again. Wait for it to break beyond 25.96, and then we can look forward to 2600 2602. If you look at the larger picture here in gold on the 2-hour charts, the rise, the retracement, nice flag formation, again a breakout, but I can see this is under consolidation and not willing to give a breakout. So once it breaks out beyond 2602, you can say now the bulls will take over completely. Moving averages here have also started to diverge. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to top, while the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence is staying bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, the observation is similar on the 3-hour chart. See, retracement candles are very, very smaller in size, and then the first bigger candle has appeared. I will wait where it closes. If it closes at around 25.90, 92, and then the following candle starts to trade below 25.87, 25.84, you can say that we are looking forward to a reversal, as it is right now trading bullish. Moving averages looking upwards, stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, a bit of consolidation was seen here, and now it is trying to take a direction. But as I said, we have to wait for it to give a breakout here. Right now, yes, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, and trying to move out of it. So I will definitely look forward to 2600 2602. If it breaks, then you can just stay bullish. What is happening here on the 4-hour charts? Rise, retracement, 2050 period moving average, it is consolidated, now trying to bounce again, trying to rise again. If you connect the dots here for gold, see, this was the rise, then the retracement, and it is now trading in this bullish channel. Where are the highs of this channel? If it stays about 2600 2602, we can look forward to a move towards 2612 2618, and in fact higher levels. But looking at the move, I can say that the bulls appear to be exhausted at the current levels, and it requires a stronger force for it to give a breakout. A stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, and this is looking upward. This is again a bullish sign here. RSI rising, coming to day. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, ideally I will take this as a reversal sign. And what has happened post reversal? We have seen 2 green candles and a bounce back candle. Now if you see this, ideally this is the trend, that is the bearish trend. This is a consolidation candle, and today again it can reverse. This could start to move downwards. However, and yes, right now I will say, see, this is the movement, complete movement. Where is the median? 25 74 76. So as long as now 25 74 76 zone is not taken today, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Even if it tries to drop, that is a retracement which it is trying to do. And yes, on the upside also one must notice it is already formed a tail here and trying to bounce back. I will just wait for it to break past yesterday's high, and then that is also a resistance zone 25.95.96. We have discussed this several times, and then 2600, 2602. If these two are taken, you can just stay bullish. We can look forward to a bigger candle in making rise retracement, and a breakout here is going to be equally strong. Yes, if you look at rise retracement taking the support, rise retracement, and now trying to bounce back. And yes, the moving averages are now looking upwards. The stochastic has dropped a bit, MACD rising, RSI rising. So now we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Yes, it is always better to have a safer environment for you to trade with easier transactions and withdrawal options. So looking at this, I will now recommend you to in fact sell at 25.90, but then 25.87.84 first support zone, 25.78.75 next support zone, or rather 25.78.74 next support zone, and then you can look forward to 25.67 levels here, below which you can say that gold is turning bearish, and then you can look forward to a correction towards 25.50 and lower levels. Though the movement right now is not supportive of the bears, but as and how it breaks the lower levels, you can say that the bears will take over. On the upside, I will recommend a buy 25.96, expect 2600, 2602 first. Beyond this, you can look forward to 2607.5 and then 2611.5. If it breaks beyond this zone, you can look forward to 2618, 2624. Beyond 2624, sky is the limit. We can stay bullish for 2635, 40 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, it is forming a good support at 3070, 3080 zone. Yesterday, see, it has formed a flat top here, and with that flat top, we have seen it retracing towards 3060, the major support levels. What has happened since then? It is again taking the support from the 2050 zone and is staying bullish. Now, if you look at this move, I can see a greater hurdle here for silver at around 3120, 10, 3120 levels. And as long as it stays below 3120, we should be cautious. See, none of the candles closed above 3120. That makes it a greater hurdle for it to break past by. But also you can see a very good support is formed. I will definitely watch out for how it behaves here at around 3110, 3120, because this zone is going to remain critical. From these levels, a reversal cannot be denied. It can be very much possible that it can reverse. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over here for the buys, RSI rising, signs of bullishness. On the 2-hour charts, if you the observation is same on the 2-hour charts, retracing towards 20 period, taking the support, trying to bounce back. 3 straight bullish candles still. The resistance intact at 3110, 3120. Any breakout beyond 3120 is a good sign for us to buy. Till then, you have to be cautious, careful, alert. What is happening here? If you look at the movement here, see, the complete movement is engulfed between this candle. And this candle is going to remain important. The next resistance is also very, very nearby towards 3130 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is also rising, and RSI is also rising here. Good sign for the bulls as of now. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour charts, it is also equally important to note, look at this candles here. See, the swings are here, but the prices are staying within a narrow zone, 3080 to 3120. And yes, plus minus 1020 on the upside. So largely we have to be cautious of these levels. These are going to remain key critical levels here for silver for the day. On the downside 3080, on the upside 3020. As long as the movement confines between this, we should not be initiating a position. And in fact, if we are initiating a position above 3120 or below 3080, we have to still keep a margin of 20 cents each size, that is 3060 and 3140. Now this is the zone where we should not be trading either silver as bullish or bearish. Once it breaks out either of these levels, that is 3140 or 3060, you can say it is taking the direction for the day. What is happening? See this double top, and then it could reverse here. It could reverse this same trend. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts also, the observation is same, rise, retracement, taking the support from 20 period, trying to bounce back. but I can say that the bulls are not very much interested in taking towards higher highs. So at this zone, we have to be watchful. What has happened here after the rise retracement? After the rise, it could retrace. Now retracement means a move towards this zone at 30. Let's watch out if it today tries to give a reverse. Right now, I can say the bears are anyways not available as of now. Once it stays below 3080, we can see slight bearishness, and below 3060 is where we can look forward to a plunge. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI rising here. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, ideally, if you look at here, so far for the last few days, we have not seen silver closing above 31 dollar levels here. And if you look at, if you divide this into two and consider this as symmetry, possibly today it can try to accumulate or consolidate here at around 31, 31.20, and possibly the next candle when it arrives, it is going to take the direction. If you look at the move here right now in silver, see, if it breaks out today, the breakout is what you should look forward to whenever it appears. If it's today, tomorrow, or mm, any point of time in next few sessions. Yes, also notice rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. Where are the lows here? Lows are now towards 2850 levels, and this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. So a reversal possibility you cannot ignore here, and the signs are supportive of this, but not the indicators. Stochastic is dropping, MACD rising, RSI rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 31.20, and then also the nearest resistance is at 31.30, 31.40 will come into picture. Once it breaks beyond this, the chances are high that we can look forward to 31.60 and 31.85 levels. Beyond this, you can look forward to 32.4 levels very soon, if not today. So that is the first part to it. Yes, a breakout is what something you should watch out for definitely. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3080. Just be careful at 3060, 3050 zone, first support zone, or rather, let me include 3060, 3040 zone as a very strong support. Below 3040, we are looking forward to a greater move, which is again going to take it below $30 levels, where the targets are towards 2975, 2950 zone. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.